Hey there, look what I got today for breakfast. Bison sirloin steaks. 2 little steaks in there, but they're about 1 inch thick. 12 ounces altogether. And I got my new Copper Chef pan heating up. I'm gonna put a little butter in that pan to start with, because it's gonna be good. Especially for breakfast. Let that melt a little bit. This is a very lean meat, so there's not much fat in there to grease up your pan with. Raised without antibiotics. This is very low in cholesterol, and very good for you. If you like meat like me. Come over here, I'll show you what they look like. Oh boy, don't they look good. They sure do. And for these delicious steaks, I'm just gonna put salt on one side, on both sides, and pepper. Put them in the pan. Oh, there we go. Today I want my steaks to be done medium. So I'm gonna go 8 minutes on one side and 6 minutes on the other side. I'll be back in 8 minutes, exactly. I'm not gonna touch them until then. Oh, wait a minute. I had some mushrooms I wanted to add in there. Where'd they go? Here they are. All cut up. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Back in a couple minutes. Back in 7 minutes now. That's 8 minutes on one side. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna go 6 minutes on the other side. You like them? Leave the mushrooms around a little bit. Should have had more mushrooms. That's all I got. Back in 6 minutes. I do believe they're finished. It smells so delicious. What do you think? Oh. Put them on the cutting board and take a look at them. Man. How do you look? You like them? I like them. Let's take a cut in there one time. Medium, remember? Oh, yeah. You like? Take a bite. Quick. You want a bite? Wow. Bison sirloin. I'll put these on a plate. That's so delicious. I can't describe it. It's melting in my mouth. Right back. There's my plate. Plate them up. Them mushrooms out of there. Still sizzling. Could have used more mushrooms. That's for sure. Oh, you know what'll go good with this for breakfast? Some eggs. I'm gonna make some eggs. Made some eggs. Look at them babies. Just like I like them. Right next to my beautiful bison sirloins. Little pepper on them eggs. Is that pepper? Oh yeah, got the bottom on there. Woo! There you go. Check them out. How good can you see that? Oh yeah. Steak rested for the proper amount of time. A little steak sauce on the side, maybe. Just a little bit. Try with a little bit of that steak sauce. Oh boy. Fork cam. Can you handle a fork cam? Oh. That's a fork cam. From the fork eye perspective.
Wait, just give me a hiccup. I think it's the eggs. A little more butter on there. What the heck?
Too early for bison steak and eggs?
What the heck?
That's how good it is. Oh yeah. With butter on it too. Right now it's 23 degrees out, which feels real good. I was out for a little bit. I loved it. Because we've had like 0-degree temperatures for the past 9 days or so, I think. Done with this weather. It's gonna be 70 days till spring. I'm counting them. So, this is not a fancy video. This is just me showing you this incredible breakfast I had. And you might be able to find bison buffalo steak at your store, which I did. This was 12 ounces and it was $15. That's more than $1 an ounce. But I like it. And I'm worth it. So thanks for stopping by and watching me eat my delicious breakfast. Maybe you want to make something like that for your breakfast. I would have grilled it outside, but I guess I could have, because it would have been a treat being this warm out. But it was quick, and I love it. And thank you very much for stopping by. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Please subscribe if you like. I'm gonna have something real good later. What's it gonna be? Talk to you later. Woo!